This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Lisa Greer. Welcome home. From the moment you enter, you'll love this floor plan. The front living room has large windows allowing natural light, an adjacent formal dining area with tray ceiling, and a large family room with a breakfast nook. This gorgeous open floor plan home features 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, pool, and a large backyard. The home has granite counters in the kitchen with a center island, has been freshly painted in neutral tones, new carpet, tile on the diagonal, split bedroom floor plan, and a side-loading 2-car garage. The AC was replaced in 2019. You'll love Madison Park with its low HOA fees. The community is built around 6 beautiful lakes and large natural preservation area. Close to shopping, restaurants, and the white sugar sand beaches of Naples, Marco Island, downtown 5th Avenue and the historic 3rd Street district with restaurants, chic and trendy boutique shops, and outdoor cafes. For more information, review the details below or contact Lisa Greer at 239-404-8282.